Hello, Mr. Sheep. Do you know the way? We're lost. No, you don't want to. Okay, bye. Yeah, you're fine. What about this guy? He might help. Hello, Mr. Sheep. We're lost. Can you help us? Can you help? No? No, you're too busy eating. Okay, cool. Thanks, though. Bye. Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Welcome if you're new.
So guess what? We're at another Atlas Obscura place today.
Kind of have a bit of an addiction to Atlas Obscura, but look, it's
Look,
okay.
we're finding lots of weird random places that people wouldn't normally go to.
It's okay. There's lots of woods around too.
So today we're on our way up to Seefin Passage Tomb. It's another megalithic tomb that dates back to like 5,500 years ago.
So like what, 3,500 BC?
Yeah, it's crazy. Even older than the one we were at last week. The wedge tomb that we were at last week. So yeah, we don't really know where we're going. We've kind of just parked on the side of the road and we're just going to walk up in the woods and hope for the best.
There's like very little internet connection up here, so we can't even like maps where it is. We just have to kind of find it.
It should be fun. But seeing the photos, it looks amazing. So let's go have a look. And I feel like this is going to backfire on us. We'll see. So we kind of thought that once we get out of the woods it would be more clear on what direction to go to find the passage tomb. No, we still have no idea where we are. This is fun. I think we're actually finally back on track. These a bit wrecked.
Can't breathe.
Yeah, so if you're following this video so far, don't go the way that we went, because we're pretty sure we took the extra long way. Yeah, don't do that. But hopefully we'll be there soon. Walk. Look, we finally found a proper pathway, but every time we come over the hill there's another hill. We're not fit for this, not at all. We're finally here. I could actually cry. Oh my god.
Tiny little entrance here. I'm gonna try to get into it.
I'm not helping you if you get stuck.
Wouldn't expect you to. Jesus, it's very, very narrow. Yeah, no, my chest is too big. Chest is way too big for that.
So we're currently standing on the summit of Seefin Mountain on top of the Passage Tomb. We made it without dying.
Well,
Proud of you.
I died a few times, but
oh my god, like, so I was reading the sign and it said it's 5,000 years old approximately. It's a smaller version of the same tomb that Newgrange is, which is probably one of the most famous tombs in Ireland. Well, Passage Tombs.
in the world.
In the world?
We wouldn't be far off it.
Yeah, possibly. There's a 360 view of the mountains and it's just beautiful. There's a little entrance here.
And one down I tried to get into. No, it didn't work.
But yeah, really pretty. So we figured out that Seefin, the Passage Tomb, is actually right beside a military base, so we're unauthorised to use the drone over a certain height or
After a certain point.
so we've not got too many shots, but have a look what we did get.
This view is class.
Isn't it beautiful? The like 360 view of the mountain is fab, and we're walking down, so we kind of get it the whole way around as we walk down.
And the sun is like not setting, but it's in behind clouds, so you can just see the little parts where are lit up and other parts where are in shadows. It's class.
It's beautiful. That's a shadowy place, we don't go there.
Simba.
So we're on our way back down the mountain now. Hopefully it's a little bit easier than on the way up the mountain, because I don't feel, I'm not in the mood for that again.
I had to stop like what, 9 times?
Oh yeah, give or take.
I'm not out for that.
Yeah. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, Lee, what's that?
That's the road.
Yay!
Made it.
Thank God for that. You happy?
Walk a lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
So we came down a different way to the way we went up, and we don't know where the car is. So yeah.
We lost.
So we're just walking along the road now in hope that
We find it.
we find the car. I think we're going the right way. We'll find out. If you look super closely, you can see the car. Although Lee thinks it could be a mirage because we're that tired and thirsty. So yeah, note to people, bring water when you're going on a hike. You know, it would be the, normal thing to do, but we aren't normal.
We're stupid.
Although in all fairness, we actually didn't think it'd be a hike. We thought it would be close to the road, but we were wrong.
I thought it was in off the road, like it's not.
Yeah, it's not. I've never been so happy to see the car.
Love you so much.
Oh, you too.
Lee. Motherfucker, we made it. We made it.
So, yeah, if you are coming, find a better route. Like where the map will tell you it's close to, go further down and park there. It's like where there's lots of deforestation, and walk up. Now it is a long walk. Wear proper shoes, bring water, bring snacks. But it's definitely worth it.
Yeah.
I think it's definitely worth it.
The tomb is great, but I think the views of the surrounding area is better.
Yeah, 100%. You get a 360-degree view of the mountains, the lakes. Yeah, it's quite beautiful.
As always, like, subscribe, and the ding-a-ling-a-ling bell notifications. Hit them.
Download bell. See you in the next one, guys.